Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlocked English Fluency. Today we're talking about something that almost every English learner struggles with: translating in your head while speaking. I used to do it too, and it really slowed me down. So in this video, let's talk about why this happens and how we can stop it. Trust me, this small change can really help you think in English, speak faster, and improve your communication.
Yes, that's so true. I remember when I started learning English, I used to translate every single word from my native language before I spoke. It made my brain feel tired and my speech very slow.
Exactly, Sarah. When we translate in our head, we lose confidence. Our mind keeps switching between two languages, and that creates confusion.
Right. And sometimes when I tried to translate, I couldn't even find the right word in English, so I just stopped speaking or froze for a few seconds. It felt embarrassing.
Yeah, I've been there too. That's one big reason many learners feel shy while speaking. They think too much about grammar, translation, and pronunciation all at once. But fluency doesn't mean perfect grammar. It means speaking naturally without too much thinking.
That's a great point, Mourise. So why do you think this translation habit starts in the first place?
Good question. I think it starts because most of us learn English through our mother tongue. In school, we translate every word to understand meaning, so our brain gets used to that pattern. Translate first, then speak.
Yes, we build that habit since childhood, but later, when we want to speak fast, it becomes a problem. Our brain can't switch quickly between two languages, so we get stuck.
Exactly. That's why, to improve English fluency, we need to train our brain to think directly in English.
So, how can we do that, Maurice? Many learners, including me, find it difficult to stop translating.
It takes practice, but it's possible. First, start small. Think about simple things in English. For example, when you see a cup, say in your mind, "This is my cup." When you go outside, describe things. "The weather is nice. I'm walking to the market."
Oh, yes, I've tried that. It really helps. It's like talking to yourself in English during the day.
Exactly. Self-talk is powerful. It helps your brain get comfortable with English words and sentences without needing to translate.
That's so helpful. Another thing that worked for me was watching English movies or YouTube videos without subtitles. In the beginning, it was hard, but later, I started to catch words naturally.
That's a great idea, Sara. Listening plays a big role. The more you listen, the more your brain connects English words directly to ideas, not to your language. That's how English listening improves English speaking naturally.
Yes, and sometimes I also think in English before I sleep. Like I replay my day in English. It feels fun and helps me feel more confident.
Wow, that's smart. I do that too. And I tell learners, don't worry about mistakes. When you think or speak in English, focus on communication, not perfection. That's how you really learn English and improve communication skills.
Absolutely. I think learners should remember the goal is to express, not impress.
Well said, Sara. And you know what helps too? Surrounding yourself with English. Change your phone language, read simple English books, and listen to English podcasts every day.
Yes, even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. It's about making English part of your daily life.
Exactly. Because when English becomes a part of your lifestyle, you automatically start thinking in English. No more translation needed.
That's true. So, Maurice, what's one thing you'd tell learners who still feel nervous or slow while speaking?
I'd say, don't rush. Be kind to yourself. Just keep practicing small sentences every day. Slowly, your brain will stop translating. Fluency comes with time and consistency.
That's beautiful. I feel like this conversation can really help many learners who want to speak confidently and naturally.
I hope so too. So friends, if you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new, Tell us in the comments, do you still translate in your head, or have you started thinking in English?
Yes, we'd love to read your answers. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss more real conversations like this one.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, your fluency journey starts when you stop translating. See you in the next video on Unlocked English Fluency.